hours here checking out the vibes. It's very busy, as you just saw. A lot of cars. It's a Friday night and the night is just starting, so people are going to be coming out, exploring the area, so stay posted. Street food here, guys. Lots of stuff happening. You got the insects, of course. Oh, sorry. She doesn't want me filming it.
Hey, my friend. From Pakistan.
I'm not, no.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States, actually.
Pakistan,
Yeah, I know what the difference is. I get it a lot. Yeah.
Want to try some different beer? Want a beer or some cold beer?
Maybe later. I'm walking around, and then maybe I come back to you.
Try alligator also, yeah, have
Alligator looks so. Wow, that's an alligator. Look at this.
Alligator meat is good, sir. Yes.
Very good stuff.
Yeah, never try, never know, sir. To try again.
Never try, okay.
Yeah, try again.
Wow, this is crazy. Thank you. Come back. The alligator meat, guys. He's trying to sell me alligator meat. We'll see. A lot of cool foods here, guys. Very unique, very different. I like the market here so far. Some of the meat, fried stuff. More squid happening. Taco bar. See? Oh, you got the pants here. That's in $100. Beer. Yeah. Patagonia. Buddy Live. Mulligans. Looks like a cool place. Depot. Good. Which is chicken? This is chicken. This? Pork. I come back. I'm just asking. Thank you. You got the pad thai here. Chicken. Pad thai. Hey, how much pad thai? Pad thai. Oh.
Vegetarian spring roll, chicken nugget.
You make it spicy?
We have chili powder on the side. You have to make by yourself.
Oh, okay. All right, I might come back. I'm just checking.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
If you have time, welcome.
Huh?
If you have time, welcome.
Okay, thank you.
We're shaking it, baby.
Nice energy.
Come on, baby.
Chicken. I'm looking. I'm just checking. Free looking. 180. Okay. That's here? Okay. I come back. Maybe. It's free for me? Huh? Look or eat? I'm just kidding. I walk, I come back. I'm looking. Okay? Thank you. Maybe I come back for a beer. Give me like 5 minutes. Okay, I'm walking. I come back. Oh, sorry. As they're approaching, they are trying to get business today. Of course.
Hi, what's up, bro?
Hey, how are you, man? Good. Oh yeah, suit. I'm good. I don't.
No, you're good. I know. I make for you. You don't know.
Yeah.
Where you from?
From US.
Hey,
Yeah.
what's up, man?
Hey, what's up?
How long to here?
A few days. Man.
Few days.
Yeah.
You know, I have Clay Mayweather.
Oh yeah.
They buy suit my shop.
Okay, maybe give me your card, business
Village
card.
country.
I'll just take a card. That's it. I don't need it right now, but let's see what he has to offer, guys. It's gonna be fun here trying to see these
YouTuber?
guys. Huh?
You're a YouTuber?
Yeah, kind of.
Maybe you putting myself too. I have
Oh, let
many
me-
friends YouTuber. This is my shop. You see?
I don't want to go. I just want a card. That's it.
I
Yeah.
get the card too. Don't worry.
I just need a card.
I give the card and you
Okay.
when you come to see my
Yeah. I didn't want to go this far, but
No, you don't buy it, just to show.
Yeah.
You
No, I
want a
believe
video,
you. It
man.
feels. Hi.
This is my brother. You
Hi,
see
hi.
how you make them.
Yeah, the very
Yeah.
cool stuff.
Yes.
Yeah,
You
very
see
good.
lining inside, different lining.
Okay.
Yes, shirt
This-
mean like this. It's
Yeah.
funny
You got,
shirt.
you got some nice stuff.
Yes.
here.
And
Yes, sir.
even you show me the laptop, any design.
You can make it. Okay,
Yes.
get the card because right now I'm working,
Yes.
but I don't have the chance to come back. Maybe
Yes.
later, maybe tomorrow.
Yes, you
let me
come
know.
back and you wanna
Okay.
tell us.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, you have
Appreciate
to. You check it to Google.
I will. I
New
will do that.
Armani fashion.
I will check
I
you
show
out.
you here, Floyd Mayweather. You see?
No, I know. I believe.
You
Flame
believe
Mayweather.
me?
Yeah, I'll check your website.
No, you can see here my Facebook.
Yeah.
They have
see.
come to.
They have come here?
Yes,
Wow. Okay.
2018 they come to
Wow.
me.
They came
We
all
have
the way for
photo.
you. Play.
Floyd Mayweather.
That's it. Mayweather has been here. Oh, look at that. So this is a famous shop, huh?
Yeah.
Very cool.
You
So
see?
you, so you got a lot of business because of
Yes,
this.
20 suit he ordered to me.
Wow.
I have more packages.
So I'll check you out, and if
Yeah.
I need one, because I don't really use suits, but I will let you know.
You don't use suit?
Nah, sorry, I gotta run.
You don't never use suit?
No, not so much. Thank you, thank you. Let me get out of here. So guys, yeah, see how it is? The energy here is crazy. People like trying to sell you stuff left and right. But yeah, at least he worked hard to try to get some business there. So to respect that. He's trying hard. So I was just kind of checking him out, see. But yeah, they got a lot of clothes here, guys. By the way, it's a crazy energy here. I think it's even more interesting than the other streets I've been on. I'm good, man. Thank you, thank you. Good bars. Whoa. Hello. Hi. No, I'm good. I just had a massage, but thank you. Thank you. End of comment. More accessories. This place is crazy, guys. Really cool vibes here happening on Khao San Road. I'm trying to find a place at the moment to have a meal, and there's so many options. It's really crazy. I like the music here.
What's up, bro?
What's up? How you?
Yeah, good, sir. How long holiday, sir?
Just a few days. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I think that's the way, sir.
Yeah. I'm good though. I don't.
Take my card if you
Yeah,
check
just,
my
you have it now?
Here, just here, sir.
I'm not gonna go in. Just you have it with you.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll look
Only
at it.
for
I'll,
this price,
I'll
yeah.
take the card. Yeah. This is a card. Yeah. Hold on, have a look. Thanks. Another suit guy.
Yeah, I make for like this, sir. I have in reseller in Dallas.
Okay, cool.
Yes, you see here.
Oh, these are nice. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, really nice
Yes,
stuff. Okay.
custom
I'll
made.
take the card. Let me look you up, and then if I'm interested,
you can look
I'll
in the
order.
Google and websites, no problem. Yes, the
Okay.
Boss International.
Okay,
Yes,
cool. I
yes.
will. And you guys ship everywhere.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
All over.
All over.
local.
Okay.
Yes, all
Thank
over.
you.
Yes.
Thank you for your time.
Yes. How many days here?
Just like 3 or 4 days. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Enough time if you're interested. No problem.
Yeah, not tonight, but maybe I come back.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Very respectful to the guys. They're all working hard. So it's always good, guys, just to try to see what they're selling. But obviously, I'm not gonna buy a suit at the moment, but I may pass it on to somebody else. Oh, the energy. Huh?
Yeah, 100. What's your fee? Please.
How much is it
100.
for Chang beer?
Please, yes.
Okay, maybe I come back.
This what's your fee promotion discount?
I'm looking for food first, then I come back. I need to eat food.
This inside of my God.
You don't have food there. I have to buy food, right? I come back to drink.
This
though.
my brother. My mom very good. This promotion.
I'm gonna eat. I go eat, then I come. I drink here, okay? I'll come back.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, yes, I come back. Come back. Cocktail bar. A bit of everything on Khao San Road. Thai food, Indian food, Latin. Thank you. I'm gonna eat and I come back. Huh? How much is your beer?
Just 80 and then 120 with it.
Yeah. You can do large for 80?
Brother, because, you know, make the bar here,
Alright, I'll come back. Just so you know, guys, the Chang beer roughly is about 100 for a Chang beer, which is pretty, I guess, reasonable. But you see it less than 100, which is basically less than 100 is about $2.70 USD. You get it something less than that, and it's a pretty good deal. So if I find a place that offers drinks or beers at that price, then they probably have other options for pretty good deals here. A lot of pad thai happening here. A lot of pad thai. And they do hair braiding, which is kind of cool. Seafood here. Okay, slowly ending here, so I don't think it's too many more vendors, but yeah. Let's see. I mean, I don't think there's many more food vendors here now. It looks like more clothes and souvenir shops. So I'm gonna probably turn around, decide on some meal. They do a lot of pad thai here, though. I'm not sure what's the best pad thai, so I think I'm gonna go somewhere. I think I'm gonna go somewhere that has a good vibe with music, and I'll show you guys where I end up on the next part of this video. So guys, stay posted.